So how much can you save with progeCAD 2025 Professional Perpetual licenses? Let's check our AutoCAD savings calculator. If you need 5 licenses and you use it for 5 years, you'll pay €1950 for progeCAD compared to €49,750 for AutoCAD 3D 2025. That's whopping 95% discount. What's new in progeCAD 2025? Advanced blocks, new 3D AEC Architectural Module, rubber sheeting, generative AI drawing translator, BIM importer for Autodesk Revit, commands preview, and much more. Advanced blocks. New 3D AEC Architectural Module. Commands preview. There is a link in the description for free progeCAD 2025 download. For more videos like this, hit the like button. If you have any questions about Perpetual CAD licenses, comment below or email us. Thank you for watching.